Alright guys, we're out here with the Sanrock 65A Ghost. I had the headless mode turned on like a dope. There's the rates right there. I was wondering. It doesn't flip or anything like that, so you just got to deal with that. But it does, wow, it's fast as crap. Look at that thing. Look at it go. Okay, so yeah, that thing's super great. Whoa. Whoa, watch this thing go. Wow, this thing's really nice, guys. Holy crap. Just took me a minute to get it. Figure I hit that damn headless mode button. I was like, why the hell won't it go straight? Okay, let me try it in the second rate here for a minute. Oh, this thing's a great little flyer here. Wow. Okay. That third rate is something else, man. Wow. That thing zooms. Is there a light on the front of that thing? No. There's some guy rolled up on me here with his car. Oh, it looks like he had a nice little bump right there. Okay, so the red is the front. Here comes a big gust of wind coming, so I'm gonna chill out over here for a minute. Yeah, I don't like when I would have garage mates like that would leave the garage open. They would leave and leave the garage open, you know, because they're too lazy to get out of the car and close the damn door. So then all your stuff's put at risk while, you know, they're off running to wherever they're running to. This thing is unreal for handling, okay? I mean, really, it's crazy, crazy fast. And that third rate is nasty. I mean, that thing is nasty as hell. I will put the little clock in there, right? So we'll get the battery light up. There's a beep right there. Okay, so it's letting us know when the battery's up. Yeah, okay, that's cool. You know how much I hate that beeping, right? So we're gonna turn that off right away. Yeah, great little quad, man. This thing is, wow. This thing is really nice, guys, really nice. All right, yeah, the Sanrock, wow. I think all the Sanrock quads I had were actually good. The Ghost 65A, wow. What a flyer. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.